Hello, this is Kelly Lewis, and I'm president of TechQuest Pennsylvania and the Technology Council of Central Pennsylvania. Welcome to our first episode of TechQuest Today. TechQuest Today is going to showcase many of the interesting and innovative companies across Pennsylvania that are helping our state remain competitive in the global marketplace. A little background on our Pennsylvania Infrastructure Group, which has been designed to bring together cross-industries, cross-statewide associations in a nonpartisan fashion to bring together groups to talk about the infrastructure challenges and the infrastructure opportunities for Pennsylvania. It's one of the leading projects for TechQuest Pennsylvania. It's started in April of 2008 with the first ever Pennsylvania Infrastructure Summit, attended by more than 360 technology and infrastructure leaders. And it was just a great program that led us to the first ever infrastructure agenda for Pennsylvania, which started in a Capitol Rotundus press conference on June 2nd and led many organizations to join together to ask for more infrastructure dollars in the Pennsylvania state budget. And we had a great year in the state budget. As you'll hear later in the program, $800 million for water improvements, $300 million for bridge improvements, and an upcoming referendum on November 4th for $400 million for clean water bonds. So a lot happened, and a lot of good things are coming forward. In September, we had a Capitol Rotunda press conference again to kick off the fall agenda for the infrastructure agenda for Pennsylvania. And today we're going to talk about water with John Brocious and talk about communications with David Bonzik from Embark and David Moore from D&E Communications. The Technology Council has been in operation for 17 years. In October, we celebrate our 18th year. Founded and one of the oldest technology councils in the United States. We've got a good tradition. We've been building a strong foundation to help Pennsylvania be competitive. TechQuest programs have evolved over the last several years to help more than 3,700 technology professionals get best-of-breed workforce training through a partnership with the Department of Labor and Industry and the South Central Workforce Investment Board. We've started TechQuest Internship Program, which has already helped more than 100 students receive paid internships and a total payroll exceeding $500,000. It's one of our great STEM efforts, science, technology, engineering, and math, to attract and retain our students that go through our K through 12 and our higher ed institutions in Pennsylvania, and to end that bad slogan that Pennsylvania has had for too long, where one of our leading exports is college graduates. Our STEM efforts, our TechQuest Pennsylvania efforts are all geared to making students, connecting students and companies in internships and mentorships and other opportunities for them to stay and invent the future right here in Pennsylvania. One of the projects you'll hear about later today is our TechQuest broadband efforts, where last year we helped more than $2 million worth of contracts signed and delivered right here in Pennsylvania for advanced broadband. And we also have showcased the exaflood, the exponential growth of the internet. And David will be on later to demonstrate some of the challenges, but also some of the great opportunities for our state to move forward. With that, we'll be back in a moment. Thank you for joining us for TechQuest Today.